everybody, this is Nicole with Nicole's DIY. Today I am participating in the Tablescape Tuesday, April 2019 challenge with Creative Homescaping and Creative Lauri. So this is my entry table, or you can say my console table that's in the front entryway. And I've taken a few things off of this table and added a few things. Everything I've had in here is actually I've already had. Just rearranged and took things from other things and added to it. So this beautiful crystal vase, I added some tulips that I had purchased a couple weeks ago from Walmart. They were 50% off, so that was just $3 that I spent on these gorgeous tulips. And I purchased about 10 batches of them because I dressed up my front door with some of the tulips and added some in here as well. So I had the Lion and the Lamb, and I purchased that a couple years, maybe about 7 years ago from Hobby Lobby, and I just fell in love with it. And this is my DIY, He Is Risen. I've had this beautiful lantern from Hobby Lobby probably about a good 6-7 years. And I like to dress it up for all seasons. So every season I'm going to do something a little bit different in there. I've had these lovely candle holders, and I just took the candles off. Added the the Spanish moss that I had from the Dollar Tree. And sweet little eggs that I purchased from Hobby Lobby for another DIY. And the yellow bird is actually from another DIY that came in a package of 2. So I got to utilize that. And this sweet little lamb came in a package of 3 from Hobby Lobby. And I'm utilizing actually 2 on here. One that he's in the He Is Risen cloche. So I'm so happy that I got to use another one, and I just think it's perfect to fit right here on this candlestick. And the finch came in a package of 6 from Hobby Lobby, and I've been utilizing those in my DIYs. This beautiful pick is actually for a cupcake or a cake, and it looks like it has like a little toothpick on it, and I just stuck it in there. And I think it just goes perfectly. And those pretty little white flowers came from the Dollar Tree, and I've had those quite a while. And so on the back side of this lantern is just a tucked in pretty little bird in his nest. And I like it that way because when you walk in, it just gives you a little something that catches your eye. So I just think it's really sweet. So if you walked into my house, this is pretty much what it would look like. You would kind of see this. Right there. So I want to thank everybody for allowing us to participate in the challenge. Thank you so much, Creative Homescaping with Pam. Thank you so much, Creative Lauri. Y'all are so sweet. This is my first challenge that I've participated in. I just want to thank you so much. And if y'all haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, like and share, and give me a good thumbs up for this video. And until next time, be blessed.